Atlanta Plugged In starts now.
Well, cheers to your favorite team. Pomegranate juice is a great way to add antioxidants to game day cocktails and mocktails like this POM Ginger Lime Sparkler. POM Wonderful's 100% pomegranate juice has, on average, 4 times the antioxidants as green tea. And it's a good source of potassium, an important electrolyte for healthy muscle function. As a registered dietitian, I love that one 8-ounce bottle contains the juice of 2 whole pomegranates and nothing else. No added sugar, no fillers, and no preservatives. So this drink is definitely something the home team can feel good about sipping on while cheering on their favorite players. Skip the chips and snack on Wonderful Pistachios. Pistachios are a good source of plant-based protein and fiber, with 6 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber per serving. Plus, they contain those good-for-you mono and polyunsaturated fats. Talk about a special team. That terrific trio of protein, fiber, and fat helps you feel fuller longer. They come in shell and no-shell varieties and lots of winning flavors such as honey and chili roasted. And to really up your flavor game, add Wonderful Pistachios to recipes such as this pistachio pesto dip. It's the perfect savory dip to pair with these little caprese skewers and colorful veggies, guaranteed to please all of your football fans.